Hi, I'm Yunting, the founder of Kinnovate, the first mama shop in Singapore that promotes inventive and creative thinking by engaging participants in building various handicrafts and science kits. Inspired by the Makers Fair concept, Kinnovate aims to provide the resources, time and space for everyone to celebrate crafts, science projects and the do-it-yourself mindset. Kinnovate derives from the words kinesthetic and innovate. This reflects our belief that the process of learning should be active and self-directed. We want the learners to get their hands busy and dirty. We want them to construct something that belongs to themselves. As Benjamin Franklin said, "Tell me and I forget, teach me and I may remember, involve me and I learn." You may have observed that our tagline is rather unique. Problems usually carry a negative connotation, but I think problem identification and problem-solving skills are critical to progress and advancement into the next century. We want to develop more thinkers, leaders, and inventors. In general, we observe that students face difficulty in answering science questions as they could not visualize what was being asked. They lack the required hands-on experience to apply process skills such as analyzing, inferencing, and interpreting. In the Kinnovate classroom, we ensure that academic learning is fun and challenging. Examination questions are contextualized to enhance student understanding and conceptual application. The questions come alive when students engage in related games, competitions, and experiments during our science booster camps, mastery sessions, and supplementary lessons. We do not have business people in our team of experienced educators, and we needed advice on how to heighten brand awareness. During a trip to the SME Center, we were referred to this consulting program. We thought it's worth giving this idea a try as it's a learning opportunity for both parties. After understanding more about our brand from many hours of conversations, the student team did a market survey in the neighbouring schools and public areas. They sat in for our learning sessions and conducted interviews with the identified audience to find out about their needs and wants. They then consolidated the findings and presented to us in a very clear and precise way. The student team then proceeded to design and implement a mini social marketing campaign to raise brand awareness. A mock website was also created out of their own goodwill to add more brand credibility and information. We are very lucky to get a committed trio of Patrick, Esther, Jia Ying, not forgetting their mentors, Pamela and Jennifer. I have picked up very useful tips from the design and color of our logo and event publicity materials to the identification of target audience and marketing strategies. They are very humble and motivated to drive the business forward. We appreciate that the student team is helping us from the bottom of their hearts. I think the program will be ideal for SMEs with good products and services. The students have a wealth of knowledge and ideas to offer in terms of business management and marketing. They would help business owners to understand more about themselves, their competitors, their partners, and most importantly, the needs and wants of potential customers better.